Welcome, little explorers. Today we are going on a fun journey full of surprises. Have you ever wondered, how does your bulb glow? How does your phone charge? How does the refrigerator work? Well, all these things need something called electricity. But did you know there are actually two types of electricity? That is direct current and alternating current. Today, we're going to learn it. So get ready for an exciting electricity adventure. What are AC and DC? Alternating current, AC, and direct current, DC, are the two most common types of electrical power used in homes and businesses today. AC power is produced by an alternating current generator, while DC power is produced by a direct current generator. AC electricity moves in a wave-like pattern, while DC electricity flows in a straight line. Who discovered AC and DC? Two famous inventors helped develop electricity systems. Thomas Edison worked mainly with DC electricity. Nikola Tesla improved AC electricity systems. DC, direct current. Direct current is electricity that flows in only one direction. DC does not keep changing direction like AC. They keep moving in the same direction continuously. Imagine a straight road where cars move only forward and never backward. Why do we use DC electricity? We use DC electricity because many electronic devices need a steady and stable flow of electricity to work properly. DC flows in only one direction. This makes it perfect for small electronic devices. How is DC electricity produced? First, batteries produce DC. Inside a battery, chemical energy pushes electrons in one direction only. So the electricity flows steadily from positive side to negative side. That creates direct current. Second, solar panels produce DC. Solar panels contain special parts called solar cells. When sunlight falls on these cells, it makes tiny particles called electrons move. The electrons flow in one direction only. This creates DC electricity. After that, solar systems use a machine called an inverter. The inverter converts DC electricity into AC electricity, so homes can use it safely. Third, DC generators. Some special machines called DC generators can also produce DC electricity. They use spinning magnets and wires to create electricity that flows in one direction. Where do we use DC? Whenever we use batteries, we usually get DC electricity. We use DC electricity in devices that need steady power, such as mobile phones, laptops, batteries, solar panels, electric vehicles, LED lights, cameras. Now let's learn about AC. Alternating current, or AC, is electricity that changes direction again and again. Instead of moving one way only, it goes forward, then backward, very quickly. Why do we use AC electricity? We use AC electricity because it can travel long distances very easily with less energy loss. It is perfect for supplying electricity to homes, schools, buildings, factories. AC can also be easily changed to high or low voltage using transformers, which makes power distribution safer and more efficient. How is AC electricity produced? AC electricity is produced in big places called power stations or power plants. At the power plant, huge machines called turbines spin very fast. These turbines can be turned by wind, water, steam, solar energy, moving water in dams. The spinning turbine is the first step. Then, the turbine is connected to a machine called a generator. Inside the generator, magnets spin around coils of wire. The spinning movement creates electricity. As the magnets spin, the electricity keeps changing direction again and again. That is why it is called alternating current. The AC electricity travels through power lines to homes, schools, and buildings. Where do we use AC? AC electricity is used in homes, schools, industries, transportation, in offices, hospitals, entertainment, and in daily life outdoors also. The electricity coming from wall sockets in our homes and everywhere is AC electricity. How AC becomes DC? AC electricity changes direction again and again. But many devices like phones, TV, and computers need electricity to move in only one direction. That is called DC. A charger or adapter changes AC into DC. Example: your phone charger takes AC from the wall and changes it into DC to charge your phone. Let's quickly remember what we learned today. DC flows in one direction. AC changes direction again and again. Batteries give DC electricity. Home electricity is AC. Chargers convert AC into DC. Amazing job, everyone! Electricity is everywhere around us, and now you know the difference between AC and DC. Learning science can be super fun when we explore step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.